Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn the trigonometrical ratio for grade 9. This chapter we will divide it into 3 parts. So today we are going to learn the first part of the chapter. So today we will start with the trigonometrical ratio. We will need a right angle triangle. Here the right angle triangle is A, B and C, where the right angle is at B. Okay, so we all know that the opposite of right angle triangle is the hypotenuse. Okay, hypotenuse. This will be our height and this will be our base. Okay, but here if I will say in trigonometrical ratio, the height and the base changes according to the notified angle. Yes, the height and the base changes according to the notified angle. Suppose here angle A, B and C is given. Right angle is at B and the notified angle is theta, which is at C. So we have discussed here in this right angle triangle that opposite of right angle is the hypotenuse, which never changes. Here B, so this will be the hypotenuse. Now notified angle here is theta. So you have to remember opposite of the notified angle is called height. And height we can call it as a perpendicular also. Okay, height or perpendicular. Opposite of notified angle is the perpendicular or height, and whatever is remaining is base. Hope this is clear. Let's take other example. Now I am making a right angle ABC. Right angle is at B and notified angle theta is at A. Now this is the hypotenuse, which will never change. Opposite of right angle is hypo. Now here notified angle is A and opposite of notified angle is perpendicular or height, and whatever remaining is base. So height and base changes as per the notified angle. Hope this is clear, and on this basis we will find the 6 ratios in the chapter. To find out the ratios, we will have to find out the all 3 side come ratios. So here the height is given 4, hypotenuse is 5. We all know that as per the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So hypotenuse is 5 square is equal to 4 square plus b square. So 25 is equal to 16 plus b square. 25 minus 16 is equal to b square. 9 is equal to b square. 3 square is equal to b square and 3 is equal to b. So base is 3. So we have now the ratios of hypotenuse, base and height. Using these measurements, we will find the 6 ratios. What are the 6 ratios that we will understand? Now here we will have the right angle. We have found out which is A, B, C. This is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is 5, base is 3 and perpendicular is 4. Now we have to find the 6 ratios, which is sine theta. Okay, theta is C. Sine theta. Sine theta is what? You have to find out which is what is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. P upon H. Cos theta. Cos theta is base upon hypo. Tan theta, which is perpendicular upon base. Now we have to find we have to swap the thing. Sine ka opposite is cosec. Cosec theta, which is hypotenuse upon perpendicular, sec theta, which is hypotenuse upon base, and cot theta, which is base upon perpendicular. Since we have found out as per the theorem all 3 sides ratio, so now we will put it, substitute what is perpendicular, 4 upon 5, base 3 upon 5, perpendicular 4 upon 3. Same way we will do it here, which is 5 upon 4, 5 upon 3 and 3 upon 4. These 6 ratios we have found out when the notified angle C is theta. Now as I told you, hypotenuse and base changes as per the notified angle. So here I am taking A as theta. So now hypotenuse does not change. This is also 4 and this is 3. But opposite of the notified angle is height. So this will be base. Height is also called perpendicular. So now let's find out the ratio as per this angle. Sin theta is equal to P upon H. Now what is P? This is P. Opposite of the notified angle is P, which is 3 upon 5. Cos theta, base upon hypotenuse. Here base is 4 upon 5. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular here is 3 upon 4. Same opposite of sine is cosec theta, which is hypotenuse upon perpendicular, which will be 5 upon 3. Then sec theta is equal to hypo upon base, which is 5 upon 4, and cot theta, which is base upon perpendicular, and 4 upon 3. I hope this is clear. You understood to find out the base and the height as per the given notified angle. I hope this is clear, and now we are solving few sums on the same concept. Let us practice few sums. Now let us practice few sums. Question number 1. In triangle ABC, right angle at B. In triangle ABC, right angle at B. AB is 24, BC is 7. Now first we will find out by Pythagoras theorem, we'll find out the length of AC. So we all know that AC square is equal to AB square, okay, plus BC square. So here 24 square plus 7 square. 24 square is 576 plus 49, which will give us 625. So AC square is equal to 625 and AC is equal to 25. We have found out AC is 25. Now we have to find sine A. That means this angle is notified angle. So here sine A is equal to what is perpendicular. Now pause the video and think for some time. What is the perpendicular? Sine A is perpendicular upon the hypotenuse. So we know hypotenuse and we know perpendicular. What is perpendicular? Opposite of this angle, which is 7 upon 25. Cos A. What is cos A? Cos A is, pause the video and think for some time, base upon hypotenuse. What is base? Base is 24 upon 25. Sin C. Now notified angle is this. So opposite of notified angle is the perpendicular. So which will be 24 upon 25, and cos C, which is base upon hypotenuse. What is base? Which is 7 upon 25, and we found out the value of all 4 units. I hope you have understood this. Let's go to the question number 2. Here given angle ABC, right angle at C, in which, let's make the diagram first. Right angle at C, in which AB is 29 units, BC is 21 unit, and theta is at B. So A, B and C. AB is 29 units. First we will find out theta at B. Yeah, okay. AB is 29 units, BC is 21 units, and we have to find out the length of AC. So we all know that AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. 29 square is equal to AC square plus 21 square. 29 is 840. 841 is equal to 441 plus AC square. So 841 minus 441 is equal to AC square. So 400 is equal to AC square, and AC is equal to 20. We have all 3 sides. Now what we have to find? Cos square theta plus sin square theta. For that, B is theta. For that we have to find, I'm just taking the other page. I hope you have understood this much, and let's go to the next one. So for the convenience, I am drawing here again the triangle. B is theta. This is 20, 29 and 21. 20, 29 and 21. What do we have to find is cos square theta, B is theta, plus sine square theta. To find out this, we have to find cos theta and sine theta. This is the, so sine theta will be 20 upon 29. Opposite of this is perpendicular upon 29, and cos theta is 21 upon 29. Let's substitute the value of this in this. Cos theta is 21 upon 29 square plus 20 upon 29 square. So 21 square is 441 plus 400 upon 29 square, which will give us 841 upon 841. Square of 29 is 841. Cancel 1. So here the value of cos square theta plus sine square theta is 1. What else do we have to find is, second sub part of this question is cos square theta minus sine square theta. Let us substitute the value. 21 upon 29 whole square minus 20 upon 29 whole square. So 441 minus 400 upon 841. So it will be 41 upon 841. We can't further reduce, so this is the answer. Hope you have understood the video and you like the video. Please do like my video, subscribe my channel.